here now today with a video on my tips, my advice, my opinion on what it is to get ahead this year and being a diesel mechanic. Even matter of fact, not even just diesel, automotive, marine, industrial, construction, whatever you're doing. This is just my advice. So I'm gonna hop right into it. Nothing like, about tools or what you need and all that. This is just gonna be strictly just kind of yourself, your mental, to get you ahead. So jump right into it. So number one, I'm gonna start with this. Your drive. You gotta have that drive to move, to accelerate you forward. You gotta really want to do it. You gotta actually think about it, what it is, how you want to do it, how you want to go about it, how, if you want to specialize, if you want to do this for yourself, or you want to be, you want to move up through the ranks in the company and things like that. So you want to be able to set those goals and actually want to write it down and go shoot for it, try and achieve it, because it's better you start the day and not procrastinate on it. And say, oh, I'm going to do it another day, or whatever the case may be. So go get those goals, write it down, and actually strive for it. Figure out what it is. And once you do so, know that you're going to stick to it, and you're going to do it, and do it with the happiness, do it with everything you got in you, because once you do so, people will see that. It will radiate, trust me, if you actually put in that time. Because nowadays, that drive is actually so easy to get ahead, because nowadays, people I've came across in the industry right now so far, it's a lot of people are just either lazy or unmotivated, or either both. And all you gotta do now is just wake up early, and you do it, and do it better. Do it better for, basically not even better, just do it consistently till you get better. And once you keep on doing that, you'll get better. You get better. It's like the 10,000 hours of learning. They say 10,000 hours to learn a new skill. And just think about that. You keep on doing something, getting into it, like I'm doing, doing boats, same time, still doing semi-trucks, same time, still doing other things with automotive. So the more I do, the more I learn, the more I remember. Because if you keep on remembering and keep that knowledge, you seem like a genius to anybody. So so I'm not gonna beat too much on that. So you get it. That drive, motivate yourself. Because once you motivate yourself, get to it, because motivation only lasts for so long. If every learning situation you can, take leverage. If your job is offering training, go for it. You want to go home and you want to go ahead and study, whatever it is, get ahead. If you know you're going to do a job tomorrow and they say, okay, we're going to work on this, and maybe you worked on it or you haven't, maybe it's new to you, and you want to go home and get that one up. Go home, learn about it, maybe learn the basics of it. So you come and do it the next day. You're prepared, and you're ready. You come more better. That you have that value in yourself in terms of knowledge-wise. That's why this training and all these things are so important, because the more valuable you are, the more you help people. And the more you be able to solve problems, because that's what we do. We help other people, whether you're on the road, whatever the case may be. What we're doing eventually helps for a bigger purpose. So you want to be able to have that value. So it's like, you don't want to be that person who is looking for a raise and you didn't even do anything to earn that raise. You don't want to you basically want to do what you're doing and do it well, so you can have those better opportunities to come to you. So that's what I want to get on that. Number two, another tip for this that I've noticed so far in this industry with some people is just that you want to have the passion for this. There are some people who don't have the passion. They just getting in and getting out. You want to have the passion for anything you do. That passion will carry you through those days that you don't want to do it, or those days it's hard to do it. So, you want to actually have that passion to continue to go forward. Don't just get into it for the money, because I know a lot of people when I was in technical school, they was like, I'm in this because it pays a lot, and this is where the money at, and they didn't even finish. So chasing the money is not, it's just I don't know, it's old to me. I feel like you want to chase that passion, and money will follow. Once you do that, put that value in yourself, people are gonna want to look for you. And you want to do this industry and have that passion to where you're so good at it that people will come find you. People want you to do it, So, or even to a point where you don't have your enemy, he broke down, but he wants you to fix it. You want to be that good. So that passion will get you there. So being with that said, depending on what you're doing, whether you're doing it for yourself and all that stuff like that, it's gonna be some hard days. And you're gonna have some days where you're gonna want to be like, dang, I'm done with this. But you gotta have that passion to keep on going. So, because guess what? Here's the thing: if you can outwork them, you can out earn them. I learned that. You can outwork them. You do, wake up early bird gets the worm, all that. You definitely succeed. So, and another thing is too is just you want to be able to basically, once you gain this knowledge and everything, you want to apply it, because knowledge is not nothing if you don't use it. So you want to be able to use that knowledge you learn, put it to practice, keep on doing it, because the more you do it, the more you get better. And that's better than ever. So just always make sure you keep on going and doing it right. Ask for help. Don't be stubborn. Being stubborn, which I've learned myself, I definitely be stubborn. And that only gets you. It only takes you forever. Matter of fact, being stubborn takes you forever to learn, rather than not being stubborn, and you can learn very quickly. So that's another thing. You just want to do everything the best way, the right way, and ask for help. Because once you practice those good habits, that's one thing too. Practice good habits in terms of safety. That's number one. And then also just doing things right. I try my best myself. So once you do those things right, you will see that you'll have minimum mistakes. Take your time. That's one thing too I learned. Someone told me you want to take your time. Because taking your time, you're able to catch failures before it happens. You're able to see things more clearly. And sometimes, like I learned, you don't want to just want to get it right. You don't have to seek perfection. Just do it the right first time. So that's just that part. And also too, another thing is when you get in the shop, you want to strive, have that mindset for better. That's too. You want to fix your mindset. Have a good mindset. You getting into the shop, wherever you're going, whatever you're doing, because you want to be able to that, because your mind is actually very, very powerful. So you want to be able to put your mind to what you're doing. And one thing about it too is just don't surround yourself with those people in the job that are unsuccessful, and they're complaining about everything and everyone else. You don't want to do that. Don't surround yourself with those people, because those people will definitely bring you down. You want to surround yourself with the best person in that shop. In fact, find that one person, shop foreman, whoever it is, someone with the highest seniority who's been doing it for a while, for a long time, and you want to learn from them. Ask them questions. You want to always ask them questions, because those people are the people that are going to be passing the baton to us, young folks, and they're going to be the ones who will be giving us the knowledge on older systems, new systems, because they tend to know more. So you want to do that. You don't want to hang out with cool kids. You want to hang out with the people that's actually going to take you far. People with like mindset. You want to do that for sure. So not trying to get too deep into the video. I know my sound probably might be a little bit too much because the AC just came on in here. So other than that, just leave me some comments, any questions you have. I'll sure be able to answer them anytime. It's just my opinion and how it is. I want everybody to prosper, especially young people this generation. I know we're kind of stirring off tracks. So I just want to be that person to also keep us on track and get us through this industry in the best way and thrive in it, because we're helping that future become the future. So, and don't forget to subscribe.